Nice.
Whoa! Come here, son. Big old snake. Hey guys, good morning from Southern Nevada. Hey, you know, I love these 12 gauge mini shells. I've got, I don't know how many videos on YouTube shooting this stuff, but you know what? One thing I've never done, I've never checked penetration. So that's what we're gonna do today. I have a couple of 2x4s set up at 16 inches, 1/2 inch drywall. So we're gonna shoot through that today and just see what happens. Nothing scientific, just gonna have a lot of fun. So what we're gonna do here in just a moment, we're gonna go over the ammo, we'll go over the shotgun, and then we're gonna start shooting. So you know what? Let's get started. All right, ammunition. Aguila, this is a 12 gauge slug. This is 7/8 of an ounce. And I've got this box of 25. Velocity is 1,250 feet per second. And these do measure 1 3/4 inches in length. And you know, you can also get these Shorty shells made by Fedro. And what I have here is 8-shot. This is just under 1 ounce and it's rated at 1,145 feet per second. And I have some Fedro 4-buck. Now this is 15 pellets and rated at, as you can see, 1,200 feet per second. Okay, now these mini shells, of course, you can use them in a single shot. You can use them in a double barrel. They won't cycle a semi-auto shotgun. I've already tried it. That's a no-brainer. So today we're going to use a Mossberg Maverick 88 pump shotgun. And you know, 2 advantages to these mini shells. One, they don't kick very hard, which doesn't bother me, but it might affect some people. But another thing is you can add more rounds into your magazine. But in order to use these mini shells in this shotgun, I have to use this little rubber adapter made by Alpsol. And I've got several videos on YouTube showing how this thing works. It just slips in just like that. Now I can load up mini shells and they're going to be 100% reliable. So you know what? Let's get set up, shoot this with 8-shot and see what happens. All right, 1 round of 8-shot. Gonna load it up, get on the other side, shoot this, and then we'll grab the camera, come up and take a close look and see what happened. Right about here. Whoa! Grab the camera. Oh! Ho! Yeah, that's how you
wow, I really did not expect that much damage. Look at that. Son, swing around this other side and take a look at that. Now that was from about 11 or 12 feet. Well, you know what? I didn't expect that, honestly. So we're going to shoot another 8-shot. And we're going to shoot it at about 7 or 8 yards, a little further back, and see what happens. Yeah, that's a pretty good pattern right there. Oh wow, look at that. I'll tell you what, that's a lot of penetration with just 8-shot coming through a wall. Yeah, that would have hurt. All right, got new sheetrock up at 25 yards. Gonna fire 1 round of Federal 4-buck. Again, this has 15 pellets in it. And then we'll go down and take a look. Come on, son. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's take a look on the other side. Did not hit the shaving cream. All right, let's check out Mr. Magoo here. Oh, he got hit 3 times. Yeah, I think either one of those would have been fatal. Look at that.
Okay, my turn. Buckshot. I got him.
Oh yeah, you got him. Hey, don't move. Are you guys related?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Can't leave without shooting a slug. Nice.
Oh, fuck!
What?
Come here, son. Big old snake. Holy shoot! Whoa! You want to go grab your camera?
Yeah.
He might be gone, but you better hurry though. Whew! That scared the living tar out of me, guys. Hey, I'm going to load up 4 rounds, 2 rounds of 8-shot and 2 rounds of number 4 buckshot. I'm going to shoot my wall and then we're going to watch it in slow motion. Hey guys, I want you to know we're not going to harm that rattlesnake. We're just going to leave it be. We have packed up. We're going to go ahead and get out of here. But I'll tell you what, we've been coming out to this truck for years, probably 300 or 400 times, and that's the first time we ever come across a big old rattlesnake like that.
Dad, you gonna go home and change your underwear?
That's not funny, son. Hey guys, but these mini shells, don't take them for granted, man. These things put out a lot of power. As you've seen, they got some pretty good penetration too. But anyways, we're gonna pack up, head home, and guys, thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you next time. I'm gonna watch where I step too. Oh, fuck!
What?
Come here, son. Big old snake. Ooh, holy shoot! Oh, shit.